Are you a new YouTuber? You want to know what are some of the new YouTubers' channel mistakes? And learn new YouTuber mistakes to avoid. Let's find out what those are right now. Welcome back to my off-grid homestead and, well, my off-grid recording studio. If you've watched some of my videos, well, you know that I'm building a tiny house, off-grid homestead, and so I'm temporarily set up here until I can get everything built. But that's just enough to tell you that, hey, if you've got a dream to build a business on YouTube, you can, and it doesn't have to be perfect before you get started. The most important thing is just get started. Today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest failures or the biggest things brand new YouTubers do, or the mistake they make when they first get started. Now, if you've been watching some of the other videos, we're building this brand new make money online together channel together so you can duplicate what I'm doing and show you how easy you can actually begin building and monetizing a YouTube channel. Let's go inside and let's take a look. It's time for a status update, and let me kind of show you one of the big mistakes brand new YouTubers make so that hopefully you won't make the same mistake. Let's go take a look. All right, so let's take a quick overview of what we have right now. So we're at the very front page of it, and you know, at the front page at first glance it really looks good, and it's important that at first glance it does look good because your new subscribers, when they go and look at your home page, this is what they're going to see. So you know, we've got a great channel art up here at the top. We got a great logo. They can clearly see this is about making money online together. There's a great trailer right here, okay? And then when you look down, they see the recent uploads. Well, there's nothing else here. What happened? Okay, well, let's quickly look at the videos tab right here. Okay, at the videos tab, we can see that, well, we've got 2, 4, we've got 8 videos up here. Okay, now, and these are some pretty good videos, and if we take a look, there's no crazy amount of views. And if we go to the About page, well, we can see that, hey, we started this channel on March 20th, okay? And I think the very first video went up that day. And here it is now. We're actually about a month and 10 days later. And, well, most of these videos went up within the very first week. However, nothing happened since. Let's take a look, okay? So let's go and sort by the newest. Well, it's sorted by the newest right now. We can see that the last video was over a month ago. Well, wait a minute. What happened, okay? It looks like we got on a roll. We got up 8 videos and then stopped. We've got 8 videos up here. There's 17 subscribers. There's not a ton of views, but the last video was over a month ago. What happened? And that is what a whole lot of brand new YouTubers do. They get so excited, they get started, they put up 3 or 4 videos, and then they just kind of wait to see what happens. And as we can tell by this channel, well, what happened? Why didn't we continue doing videos? Well, I did and I didn't make the same mistake most YouTubers do. In my case, well, I had a friend that was in a bind, needed help with a website, so I kind of dropped this project, put it on the back burner, knowing I'd have to pick it up later, and then explain, but it was a good situation to say, hey, this is what a lot of brand new YouTubers do. You know, I have 2 other channels. I've got a Bible channel that I love and I put videos up on, and I've got a channel that's all about Costa Rica that I'm constantly putting up. And this is the brand new one that you're watching us grow. Well, a lot of people will start a brand new channel and they get up just a few things, but then they stop and wait to see what's going to happen. You can't stop and wait. You see, the number one thing that's going to help your channel to grow is to be consistent. You have to be consistent. Decide that you're going to try to upload at least once a week. Now, a lot of people get really all excited, all motivated, and, you know, some gurus will tell you, you got to upload every day, or you got to upload twice a week, or 3 times a week. No, no, no. Here's what I can tell you. If you will be consistent, try to upload at least once a week, okay? That's a good number to start off with. As you begin learning, if you want to try to upload more than once, that's great. But the number one mistake people do when they're brand new is they put up 4 or 5 videos and then bam, they just kind of stop and see what's happening. Well, nothing happens, okay? You might have a few good videos there. It might slowly grow, but that's exactly what might happen. It might die completely, or it might slowly grow. In my scenario, well, I know I've got 8 pretty darn good videos there, and so we'll probably slowly grow. There's 17 subscribers, and 17 subscribers for a month and a half or a month and 10 days. Well, that's nothing to brag about, okay? But it's not terrible either. If we go to the About page, well, we can see that we've got 174 views. Well, that's nothing phenomenal, okay? So we can do a whole lot better, okay? So let's continue with the status update, okay? So we're going to go back to the home page. Home page, let me pause the trailer. Homepage looks great. Got a trailer, got our videos, but we don't have anything else down here, and we need to do that. We'll do that in the next video, and I'll be talking about that later. But we really want our homepage to look good. It's not finished, and well, that's where a lot of people actually stop, and that's not good, okay? So we're going to finish out the homepage so it looks good. Now, if we go to our videos tab, well, here's our videos and our uploads, and well, all we see are our uploads. We don't see anything else. We're going to fix that. Well, we have playlists, and there are a few playlists that were created while we uploaded in this first week, but we'll talk about playlists in another video, okay? And then here's channels, and well, we'll talk about that later, whether you should or should not show other channels here. And then there's the About page. We've got a great About page that's short, simple, to the point, lets people know what this is about. Let's go to the YouTube studio to take a look at the analytics and look at the inside. Let's take a look at the status to see what's happening. All right, at the YouTube studio, we're at our dashboard, and over here on the left is where we can see our latest upload and see what's happening, okay? And it says that based on the other videos, well, it ranked 4 out of 8, okay? And then look, we've got 17 subscribers. There's 3 in the last 28 days. There's news. There's recent subscribers. And these are some of the published videos, so and just other miscellaneous things here. It's important to learn all about the back end of the YouTube studio. You get lots of pointers and lots of great things in here, so take time to read some of these things like the ideas and watch some of these videos and content, you know, what the Creator Insider does. You can pick up a lot of great hints there, okay? If we go to the Content tab over here, then this is where we can see all of our videos, and we can see that, hey, look, they're all public. There are no restrictions right here, so we don't have any issues going on, okay? And we can take a look at the views that we have over here, okay? We can look at likes and everything. So, and look, right now we've got 100% likes. In other words, so far our channel is so good, nobody has given it a thumbs down. Hey, now that's great, okay? That means we're on the right track, okay? If we come over to playlist, well, this is just playlists we created, but we kind of threw those up on the fly, but we'll talk more about that later. Our analytics is real important. That's where we can begin learning. Now, it's still really early on to learn much about your analytics, but let's just quickly take a look at it, okay? So right now it's saying in the last 28 days is only 37 views. That's not good. We want to have lots and lots of views, okay? But we can see, you know, some of the spikes and the trends. We can see our watch time. We can see our subscribers. And so, you know, it's interesting to look at this. Now, let's take a look. We're going to go over here to reach. And this will give us an idea where some of our traffic's coming from. Most of our traffic is coming from YouTube search. And that's important to know because when you're brand new, the only way you're going to get discovered is by properly doing your keyword research. Now, we're going to be talking about keyword research, and I will show you the proper way to do keyword research in another video and what's the best tool to use. But when you're first starting out, don't think you're going to throw up some video. It's going to go viral and you're going to become the next YouTube sensation. You have to go for the low-hanging fruit. You have to choose the right keywords and build a video around that. And of course, it's going to be around something you already know, okay? So if we take a look, we can see that most of our viewers are coming from YouTube search, direct or unknown. Well, that's where I'm sending people. Friends, family, and telling them to come and look. And then there's channel pages and other things, okay? There's lots of great information in your analytics that you can learn if you'll take time to read it. And as we go through here, I'll teach you more and more, okay? Now, if we take a look over here, this is really important to look at this funnel right here, because this will tell you what is YouTube's algorithm doing for you. So this will tell you that the algorithm, we've got 315 impressions from YouTube recommending our content, okay? And that's important, see? And we want YouTube to recommend our stuff. But if we're not consistent, they're not going to continue to recommend our stuff. So it's important to be consistent, okay? Let's go take a look at engagement over here. In engagement, this would kind of tell us, you know, how long people are watching, what kind of engagement are we getting from this, okay? What are they doing? You know, are they clicking on the playlist? Are they clicking on the end screens? Are they clicking on any of the cards, okay? Let's take a look at the audience. In the audience, we can see that we've got 20 unique viewers, okay? And in the last 28 days, 3 subscribers, okay? So this is interesting because we know that we only have 17. Let's go back to the overview again. Yeah, 17 subscribers. However, we've got 20 unique viewers. Now, this is going to grow and be a whole lot, okay, in time, okay? Matter of fact, if we change this from 28 and change it to lifetime, then we can see that we got 54 unique viewers. However, there's only 17 subscribers, and this is going to continue to grow, all right? Let's take a look at research. Well, there's really nothing here, so let's go back. Now, if we go back to our content, then it's interesting to say, well, where are those subscribers coming from? And you can take a look at each of the analytics to find out. So let's take a look at this last video. This last video is titled How to Upload Videos on YouTube, my first video. In other words, how to upload your first video. Let's go take a look at the analytics. If we go look at the analytics, it doesn't look like we have any subscribers that came from that video. Let's go and look at another. So this one, okay, the second one is how to remove copyright claims on YouTube. Well, let's go take a look at the analytics there. And it looks like we got 2 subscribers from that. So people liked that. And that's important stuff. You're going to get a copyright claim. You want to know how to take care of it. 2 subscribers came from that. And let's keep going. How to start a YouTube channel for beginners. Well, let's go see what the analytics say about that. There was 1 subscriber that came from there. Very good. Let's keep going, okay? And the fastest way to make money online in 2022, let's take a look at the analytics. We can see we have 1 subscriber that came from that, okay? And if we come down here, and this is the actual trailer, okay? And if we take a look at the trailer, we've got 2 subscribers from that who watched the trailer and said, hey, this sounds pretty good. So as you can see, you can get a lot of information, and we just barely scratched the surface, okay? But this gives us a little bit of idea. Now we can go down. Here's the overall analytics of everything that's going on. Here are comments, and you should never have any comments sitting in here. You should always answer every single comment, and you can come over here to the held for review. You're always going to get scammers. You're always going to get ugly people, all kind of things. But you can take a look at that stuff just in case, because sometimes good comments fall into that. We want to look at that, okay? And so, and the rest of this is really not real important until way down the road. So this kind of gives you a good overview of the back end. So right now, what do we need to do in order to make our channel grow? Well, our channel has been dormant, okay? So let's go and take a look. If we go look at the videos tab, let's take a look at when was the actual last video done. I'll pause that. So that was on March 26th. Well, here it is on May 1st. That means we haven't had a video go up in about a month and 1 week. That's not good. We need to be consistent because these subscribers have subscribed to the channel, which means that they want to see what else is coming. They want to watch these videos, and we've not given them anything. Once again, that #1 mistake that brand new YouTubers make is uploading videos and stopping, and you'll end up losing subscribers because of that, okay? So, hey, don't worry about it. It's time to get after it. We haven't done anything in a month and a week, so now it's time to start uploading, and we need to be consistent. The #1 thing is being consistent. But what can we do? Fast forward this channel? Well, I'm going to start uploading videos every day for 100 days. Now, unless you just already know what you're doing, or you're just really motivated, that can be a lot of work. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of work, but it is going to do a lot of things to really help the growth of your channel. And you really want to find out about that, but that's going to be in another video. So that's just a little teaser for you. So now that you know, the most important thing is don't make the mistake of putting up a few videos and then just waiting. Be consistent. Most important thing to do, be consistent. Upload at least one video every single week, and your channel will continue to grow a little bit at a time as you continue putting up more and more videos and doing it the right way. Continue to watch my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can learn how you can build your successful YouTube channel.